This is the demo of the application AI Interview Assistant. This is the application that helps you prepare for the role that you want to be prepared. Uh, this application supports more than 15 plus roles. It uses Google's Gemini AI LLM in the backend, and this application is created using Streamlit. Let me run the application. This is our application interface. On the left side, you can see there are multiple fields that you can select. That is, on the first one is choose your role, in which you can select your roles. There are multiple roles that are available over here, as you can see. Let's select functional tester. Uh, Now on the next field, that is your experience level. So you can select your experience. Interview type, it is technical, behavioral, and problem solving. Let's click problem solving. There's one question difficulty, and it has 4 difficulty levels. Let's click easy, and there's one optional area, that is focus area. In this field, you can select some topics that you want to practice on. Let me do like bug reporting. So you can see we can start the interview. So it has asked the first question. So there is a bug where if we apply the discount code, it is sometimes reflected in the final total, even though the UI confirms the code was applied. And this intermediate bug, and we have found some consistent way to reproduce it. Mm, So we want to describe how we would create a bug for this issue. We can focus on the key elements uh, to reproduce the bugs. So this application has two modal input, that is, one is text and the other one is microphone. Let me show you how microphone would work first, then we can see the text one. So we would answer this question. The bug currently reproduces when we apply the coupon and we remove the coupon. We would include this in steps to reproduce. So it is now analyzing our responses. So it would give you a model answer to practice. So it has all the points that you need to be aware of. This was our responses. Currently it is only using Pi audio. I don't think it would be very accurate. So it gave the assessment on what we said. The technical assessment is 1, and it would give you why it is 1. Similarly, in implementation understanding, it would give you the score and give you the reason why it is 1. Same for communication assessment, clarity, professionalism, experience level. It would give you the score for each everything. It gives you key strengths and the focus of improvement, areas of improvement that you can focus on. So now Another question was asked. You can see this question is not created out of blue. It reacts like a real human being and asks the question based upon your previous response. So earlier we have seen how the audio input works. Now see how the text inputs can work. We can input our text over here. Now it is analyzing our responses. So it would give you an model answer. You can go through it for your practice. So now it gave the technical assessment on the our responses. It would give you some score and it would give you the reason why it is that particular scores. Similarly, that we saw earlier, it would give you assessment for each and everything like clarity, structure, professionalism, and it would give you experience level match and give you the scores based upon their assessment. It would also give you the key strength and areas of improvement. And now you can see, just like human being, it would ask the question. So there is session progress report. It would include the question of asked, domain knowledge, methodology, practical experience, and overall score. So you can continue and this would keep building on. That's it for the demo.